Hey everyone, are your notes not share on your iPhone? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check iCloud scan. Go to settings, Apple account, iCloud notes. Make sure scan this iPhone is turned on. Step 2. Move the note to iCloud. Open the notes app. If your note is saved under on my iPhone, move it to the iCloud folder. Step 3. Share the note. Open the note, tap the share button. Then choose collaborate or send copy depending on how you want to share it. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly before trying to share the note. Step 5. Update your iPhone. Go to settings, general software update and install any available update. Final tip, if the note is still not sharing, create a new note and try sharing it again. And that's it. These steps should help fix not sharing on your iPhone. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy iPhone tips.